Is the lower rack of your GE dishwasher not rolling so well anymore? Well, I'm Dustin, the Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to use the carrier and roller kit from GE to replace all 4 of the rollers on the bottom of this lower rack. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The lower dish rack carrier and roller kit replaces all 4 sets of rollers on the bottom of the sliding rack of your GE dishwasher. This kit comes with 4 carrier frames, 4 carrier covers, and 8 carrier rollers. These rollers allow the roller rack to glide smoothly in and out over the door gap, making it easier to load and unload dishes. If the carriers on your rack look like this older version, the 4 new ones in the kit are designed to replace and improve them. In this video, we'll show you how to remove both the older and updated versions of the rack carrier rollers and install the replacement for this part. If you need to purchase a replacement lower rack carrier and roller kit for your GE dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. The only tool you may need for this repair is a small flathead screwdriver. To remove the dish rack carriers and rollers, first open your dishwasher door all the way and slide the dish rack out. Set the silverware basket aside. You can do this replacement with the dish rack in the dishwasher, but we're going to remove it for the video. Our model of dishwasher came with this version of carrier rollers installed on them. In this video, we'll show you how to remove each style of carrier rollers. First, we'll remove the original carrier rollers by removing the clip by releasing the locking tab and sliding the clip to the outside of the dish rack. Using a small flathead screwdriver, gently apply pressure to release the 2 tabs holding the carrier to the rack. Using the screwdriver to apply pressure directly to the tab minimizes the chances that the part breaks. Once the 2 tabs have released from the rack, slide the carrier to free it from the rack. Repeat this process on the remaining 3 carriers. To remove the updated carrier from the rack, lift up on the 3 sections on the cover of the carrier to release it from the 3 corresponding locking tabs on the carrier frame. The cover should come off, but if it doesn't, you may need to release the 2 tabs on the inside of the carrier frame with a flathead screwdriver. Slide the carrier frame to release it from the dish rack. Repeat the same process on the remaining 3 sets. If you need to purchase a new lower rack carrier and roller kit, be sure to avoid cheap aftermarket knockoff parts by ordering OEM certified parts like the ones we saw on our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. Be sure to search with the model number from the tag on your appliance to be sure you get the most recent and correct part. Each carrier frame and cover is labeled with an L or R for ease of installation. Either left or right carrier can be mounted in the front or back of its respective side. For this installation, we will start with the front left. Locate one of the 2 frame pieces with an L printed on the inside of the carrier frame. Slide the frame onto the rack from below. Notice that the space between the rails on the bottom of the rack are designed so that there are only 2 locations that the frame will fit. Be sure that the 2 tabs are underneath the rail and slide the frame forward to snap it into place. Place a roller wheel on each of the roller hubs on the frame with the flange side closest to the frame. With both rollers in place, slide the cover over the frame until the cover snaps and locks over the tabs on the frame. Test the cover to be sure that all tabs are locked and it is securely in place. Repeat this process on the remaining carriers. Snap the frame on, slide into place. Add the roller's flange side in and slide and snap the cover over the frame and rollers. After all 4 roller carriers have been replaced, slide the silverware basket back into the right side of the rack. Test the new rollers by sliding the rack back into the dishwasher. Your dishwasher is now ready to use. Well, great job rolling through another repair. As always, I'm Dustin, the Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.